Is this officially the absolute limit of price to performance in 2026? Welcome back to Teletech. Today we're diving straight into the brand new Redmi K100 Pro. On paper, Xiaomi went completely overkill. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a crazy 85Hz display, a massive 9000 mAh battery, and a 200 megapixel main camera sensor. But specs on paper don't mean a thing without real-world stability. Let's unbox it, test it, and see if it's worth your money. Hit that subscribe button and let's get straight to it. Unboxing is classic Redmi, simple, quick, and complete. Inside the box, you get the phone, a matte protective case, key paperwork, and a heavy-duty 100-watt GAN fast charger right in the box. Holding the K100 Pro, the build quality feels significantly improved over last year's series. We have flat aluminum sides, matte anti-glare glass on the back, and an IP68 and IP69 dual water dust resistance rating. It's built like a tank, though with that massive battery inside, you definitely feel the heft in hand. Flip it over to the front, and this panel is stunning. It's a 1.5K OLED flat panel, pushing an insane 185Hz refresh rate. Side by side with a standard 20Hz display, fast scrolling and system animations feel noticeably slicker. Outdoor visibility reaches up to 4000 nits peak brightness, making direct sunlight zero issue. And audio? Xiaomi partnered with Bose for the dual stereo speakers. Mids are clean, highs don't crack at full volume, and there's actual low-end punch when watching movies or gaming. Now let's talk horsepower. Under the hood sits the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with a dedicated discrete graphics chip and LPDDR5X RAM. In benchmark testing, Geekbench scores smashed flagship territory, but gaming tells the real story. We ran Genshin Impact at maximum settings for 45 minutes straight. It held a rock-solid average frame rate without aggressive thermal throttling. The upgraded 3D vapor chamber cooling system dissipates heat across the entire backplate efficiently. It gets warm to the touch, but never uncomfortably hot. Camera setups on performance-first phones usually take a back seat, but the K100 Pro holds its ground. The main shooter is a 200 megapixel sensor with OIS, flanked by a 50 megapixel 5x periscope telephoto lens. Daylight photos are sharp with great dynamic range, and the 5x optical telephoto produces impressive detail. Low light performance is solid, though processing can occasionally over-sharpen fine details. Powering all of this is a colossal 9000 mAh battery. This is easily a 2-day phone for normal users, and even with heavy 185Hz gaming, you'll struggle to drain it in a single day. Plus, the 100-watt wired charging gets you back to 100% in under 35 minutes. So, what's the final verdict? The Redmi K100 Pro isn't just an incremental refresh. It's a high refresh, long battery powerhouse built for heavy users and gamers who don't want to pay double for overpriced flagships. What do you think of the K100 Pro? Is 185Hz a feature you actually care about, or is the 9000 mAh battery the real seller for you? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Teletech for more real-world reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.